Hello everyone, I am back with yet another video. This time the video will be light and fun. On the same lighter note, I will be recommending today some YouTube channels which are my personal favorites. These recommendations will cover all the possible genres and at least 5 of the recommendations will be useful to you. Also, do let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you wish to see more on my channel, and I will be taking up the feedback very positively. So let's get started. My first recommendation is Maya Lee. She is my top recommendations because she is someone I am watching currently. She is basically a fitness freak, a teacher, and an amazing YouTuber. So you must go and check her channel out. Prajakta Kohli, also known as Mostly Sane, is a YouTuber who makes content on comedy and some social issues. She's quite famous in India, and if you haven't tried her channel yet, what are you even doing on YouTube? Next up is Beer Biceps. It is a channel run by Ranveer Alabadia who talks to give us the motivation needed in our life. He has also got another YouTube channel which is kind of a podcast where he talks to great personalities and give us important life lessons. We all know about the famous platform TED Talks where great personalities talk to their audience, but there is also another platform named TED Ed, which is an educational platform, and the platform is embedded with beautiful animations. It teaches us about various topics and give us the best possible information on that topic. Michelle Choi is another name on YouTube who is famous for the aesthetic lifestyle content she creates. She is gorgeous as an angel and the videos are so relaxing and calming. She is a must see and the videos will soothe your soul. If you're also a stationery lover like I am, then Jet Pens is the right destination. Jet Pens takes you to the heaven of pens, highlighters, notebooks, and whatnot. It is kind of a review channel which reviews the product from all across the world, so this is highly recommended. I am a little bit tilted towards technology and newly launched products, so Tech Burner satisfies that area. Channel is basically giving reviews on the newly launched technology products with a touch of humor and excitement. Less talked about channel, but after watching a single video from the channel, you will know its worth. The channel creates humorous videos on the Bollywood movies, and believe me, they are mind-blowing. The host has got kind of a weird accent, but it is very funny in itself. Okay, tested, as the name says, the channel tests a variety of foods and give reviews about it. The channel also takes up big food challenges like the biggest dosa challenge, the biggest pizza challenge, etc. etc. The anchors are so good at their work that you'll feel as if you are having the food by yourself. I guess all the teenagers are aware of the channel Filter Copy. They make cute videos on life related events, and the cast is always apt and the delivery of content is just right. Lily Singh, also known as the Superwoman, is a very good worldwide YouTuber who makes content on her daily life and reflects her true inner self. She is very funny and very creative. Also, she has got a vlog channel which is equally amazing. So check that out. Next up is Korean Ladka, a boy who is totally in love with India and loves to eat gulab jamun. He makes review videos and on Bollywood songs, and he tries various India-based dishes. His most popular video is the one where he shares about why he left Korea to study in India. So I think this channel is a must try. Next one is my favorite, Bangtan Sonia Dawn official, BTS official. For people new to Korean culture, BTS is just the right platform to serve you the very right music and the entertainment content. They are behind the scenes and special clips from the daily lives and the shooting videos are very interesting, and the official and very fine content related to BTS can be acquired from this channel. For the love of music and singing, there is a channel called Emma Heasters where there is a girl who is also a foreigner. She sings famous Bollywood songs. She has also done covers of famous Punjabi songs, which is like the ultimate thing she can do. She has also done English covers of Korean music, which is a total vibe. I mean, you must go and listen to that. Who doesn't know Ellen DeGeneres? She is a comedian, an anchor, and her presence itself is so remarkable. The Ellen Show is an interview based show of the Hollywood celebrities. So if you want to just relax, click on this channel. A treat to one's eye, Lavender is also a lifestyle channel and productivity based channel. The host runs the channel all by herself, and the vibe and the ambience of the channel is so good that you can't resist it at all. Motivational speaker and the millionaire Aman Dhattarwal is someone who speaks words of wisdom. He runs various channels and gives tips and tricks to the youth which are worth following. An academy itself is a revolution in the history of education. The lectures are so crystal clear, and even the tiniest concept is taught with ultimate precision and detail. The lecturers are themselves IITians, and the strategies they give to the students are ultimately helpful to them. Another recommendation is Three's a Crowd. As the name says, it is a channel of three people who are chilling in life. The video is also based on a girl who is a medical student and she shares her life experiences. The family is also good to watch, and the type of video creation is just on point. Daniel Lebel, he is a comedian who has extracted humor from our daily lives. He basically creates YouTube shorts which are easier to watch, and believe me, they are super funny. These were my top recommendations of the day, and some of the channels are quite famous, some are not that much famous. So if you try even 5 of the recommendations, my work for today is done.